Bagnag Sapa Kakabsat, na Bagnag Sapa, Baguio City. We are here at Route 55 with, of course, Adrian and Miss Casey. So they are both the managers and the chefs of this restaurant. So Sir Adrian is actually the executive chef of Ocean's Adventure and, of course, the Gourmet Farm. And, of course, Miss Casey is the kiniklaim talaga na General Manager of Route 55. So welcome po to Talk TV Baguio.
Thank you.
How are you?
We're good. We're good. Happy because of the reception of Baguio people sa Route 55. Sobrang ganda. So sabi namin tama yung decision natin to put up this restaurant here in Baguio.
Casey?
Finally, nagkaroon na rin kayo ng resto. Lalo na nandito na si Chef Adrian ulit sa Baguio after all ng sacrifices na nagtrabaho sa iba't ibang lugar at nagkasarili na rin kami ng resto. At matitikman na rin ng mga tao dito sa Baguio yung niluluto ng Chef Adrian.
Okay.
We're very happy.
Alright, thank you very much for that. So, Kakabsat, let us witness how does it taste ba ang tinatawag natin na global fusion. Wow. So this is our soup.
Yes, this is our grilled bell pepper and mushroom soup. Okay, this is for you. And we have the chili con carne. Okay. There, this is for you.
Chef, what's this? What do you call this one?
This is the grilled bell pepper and wild mushroom soup. We use two different kinds of wild mushrooms and syempre bell peppers. We grilled it to make it sweeter. Yan, tapos we peeled and chopped. Yeah,
There's a lot of process talaga, no?
Yes, medyo mahaba ang proseso nung lahat actually ng pagkain namin, medyo maarte.
Sabi nga kasi nila, 'di ba? The more na pinatagal mong proseso ng isang bagay, mas masarap.
Correct.
Parang sa isang relationship, 'di ba?
Correct.
So, yun kasarap ang ano natin. So, the longer it is, the sweeter it is, and the more tastier.
Correct.
Ang sarap nito.
Okay, so syempre you have to try our pizza.
Okay.
Diba? I'll give you a slice.
I recommend this one sa mga mahilig sa mga vegetables. So, yung mga vegetarian as well.
Definitely.
Talagang
that's a very healthy alternative.
Oo. Malalasahan mo talaga yung mushroom niya, Chef.
Yes. Yeah. So this is our roast beef and mushroom pizza. Okay. So
this is their roast beef and mushroom pizza.
yes, we make our crust from scratch and definitely our sauces. They're all made from scratch. Tapos yung roast beef, syempre we roasted it for about 3 hours.
Wow.
Diba para mas masarap siya, slow roasting. Yan, so very very tasty and
Talaga yung lasa niya is mararamdaman mo hanggang sa ng kalalas niya. And there's no aftertaste.
Wow, thank you.
That's the good thing about it. And it's very light. Hindi siya masyadong yung scent niya is very light. Hindi ka nga yung mga amoy. Unlike yung ibang mga pizza, diba? Parang pag-alis mo sa pizza houses, parang amoy amoy beef ka na.
Correct.
Yung maganda sa kanya.
And it's light sa
Yes.
And may mushroom ulit siya, no?
Yes, may mushroom ulit siya. Actually, kasi ang daming mushrooms din sa Baguio, diba? So, we decided to make use of it also.
The good thing about this one is almost all their products come from Baguio.
Yeah, definitely.
Diba, talagang tinatangkilik din nila ang produktong Baguio. At Benguet, no?
Correct. Yan. Well, after this, try naman natin yung salad.
Okay.
Then our main course. Well, salad and our pasta. Okay, so
Sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga. So, what is our next dish naman, Chef? Mukhang napakasarap
yes, this is our spinach and shiitake ravioli. Okay, this is one of our best sellers ng mga pasta. Okay, well, it's made of homemade pasta, tapos shiitake mushrooms, tapos syempre yung spinach, tsaka yung aming cream sauce. Okay? Tapos, next is this is our Mexican salad. This is good for sharing. This is good for sharing. Bali,
Can we try?
definitely.
Good naman siya sa
Oo. Yan. Tapos, next is our pulled pork sandwich. From my understanding, this is the first pulled pork sandwich in Baguio. Okay, this is made from grilled pork, and then we baked it for a while, and then we shredded it, and then before serving, we dip it in our barbecue sauce. Tapos, we also have the pulled pork meal, we also have the pulled pork pizza. Yan, syempre, to maximize the pulled pork. Want to try it?
Thank you. And this one, chef, how much is this one?
Here. That's one of the most expensive kasi it's really hard to make. This is 185. Damo expensive na siya, no?
Expensive na sa lagay na yun.
Kasi medyo intricate yung paggawa namin dyan. Medyo maselan kasi yung pasta dough niya, we roll it, tapos kailangan pang idaan sa pasta roller. Yan, para mas maganda yung ano niya.
Tikman muna natin to before we move to the expensive dish.
Yes, oo.
So let's try this one and let's see how it tastes.
Yan, that's dipped in our homemade barbecue sauce before serving it.
Alam nyo kakainin, napakalasa niya. Napakalasa. And then, very fresh.
Yes.
Spinach and shiitake ravioli. So this one is 185 pesos only. Diba?
And it comes with garlic bread.
And it comes with garlic bread. So
Everybody
let's
loves
try.
garlic bread.
Yeah. Lalo na ako, chef. I love garlic garlic bread talaga. So let's try this one. So can you please repeat again kung ano yung meron po dito sa ating ravioli?
Aside from the homemade pasta, syempre, we stuff the homemade pasta with shiitake mushrooms and spinach. Tapos, we cook it sa cream sauce namin. Actually, we use 3 kinds of cheese to make the sauce.
Kung pabasin ninyo kay Iliam, it's really stuffed with spinach.
Yes, spinach and shiitake mushrooms.
Shiitake mushrooms. Saan natin kinukuha yung shiitake mushroom, chef?
Here din, sa Baguio. They cultivate it here in, I think it's in Trinidad pala, sorry, not in Baguio. They cultivate it here na. Yeah. Fresh din siya. As much as possible, we use the fresh shiitake para mas malasa siya compared to the dried mushrooms.
Very creamy, pero hindi ka mauumay. Parang you would want to finish until the last na piece or last na Parang sarap din.
Actually, this dish is a mixture of Italian and Asian cuisine. It's a fusion of two different ingredients from Western and Asian ingredients na nilagay namin siya sa isang dish.
So far sa lahat ng natikman ko today, ang sasarap lahat, pero ito stand out talaga. Sobra, kaya kahit 185 pesos siya, it's super worth it. Try nyo kakaili yan. Sarap.
Ang Route 55 ribs, kasi again, we went around Baguio. Bibihiraan nagsiserve ng ribs na talagang ribs lang. Diba? So sabi namin, mukhang maganda ang ribs. I-try natin.
Yeah.
Diba? Tapos, trinay namin. Ang sarap, nung unang trinay namin siya, ang sarap. So we came up with different marinades and mga glaze, mga sauces para dito sa tapos ang tagal namin actually dinevelop yan. We developed for 6 months. Ayun, iba-ibang mga sauces, i-marinate namin tapos hanggang sa we ended up with yung mga current sauces namin, current marinades namin.
Indeed, this is a must talaga. Ang sarap. Sobra.
Thank you very much.
Very tasty, malambot siya, napakalasa, and then hindi siya malansa. Yun yung masarap sa kanya sa ribs. And then, ano siya, madaling hatiin. Very soft talaga.
Yeah.
Ang sarap. So, ang maganda kasi sa ginagawa nyo, Miss Casey and then Chef, is that you're doing extra research. Yung nandun talaga yung effort. Kasi nga, because of your passion.
Yeah, definitely passion.
In this one.
And as you are trying the salad, our salad is made from strawberry wine. Yung dressing namin, the vinaigrette, we made use of the strawberry wine to make the vinaigrette. And definitely, yung mga fresh Baguio vegetables.
Okay. Meron siyang carrots and lettuce.
Yep.
And then cucumber. And
Tomatoes.
talagang
Cherry
yung tomatoes
tomatoes.
mo are from Baguio. Kasi makikita mo fresh na fresh siya. And then Baguio ang dating. Pinupulot lang namin to dati sa kalsada. Yeah, we have a lot kasi I'm from dito lang din ako sa Itogon.
Wow.
Oo, Chef. So, maganda sa kanya talagang mafe-feel mo super fresh.
So next time, sasama mo ko sa ito.
Yes,
Tapos
naman.
mamulot tayo ng cherry tomatoes. Diba? Para mas fresh.
Mas fresh. From the backyard pa.
Ayos yan.
So, if you, dadagdag natin siya sa. So, let's try your, what do you call the salad? Is there a
This
name?
is summer green salad with
Summer
strawberry
green
wine vinaigrette.
Wow.
You can also order that a la carte. Yun, nakalagay sa salad bowl.
Oh my
yan lang
God.
mismo.
So good.
It's made from strawberry wine and a little bit of strawberry jam.
I'm loving Route 55. Ang ganda, ang sarap, ang galing.
So dapat kayo punta na kayo dito.
Yes, of course.
Para matikman nyo ang pagkain na Route 55.
God, ang sarap niya. And this one is how much?
This is for 235.
235 pesos only, and you get to have a feel of Western and Baguio dish talaga. Tapos fresh na fresh, sabi ko nga, ang lambot. Worth it.
Our main courses,
And this one, Chef,
this one is the Route 55 original glaze. Okay? Yung barbecue sauce we developed years ago. This is one of our best sellers dun sa Hernan's Kitchen. Okay, so this is crispy fried chicken wings. Then we dipped it sa we glazed it with the barbecue sauce.
can you try the wings?
Definitely.
Ako na lang.
Alright, sige.
So, let's try the wings. Let's see. What's the name of this one again, Chef?
This is the Route 55 original glaze.
Route 55 Original Glaze. So when you come here, alam niyo na i-order nyo. It's either the ribs
Or the wings.
or the wings.
And after you've tried the ribs and the wings, syempre we have steaks also. We have the filet mignonette. We have Asian beef kebabs. We have pork barbecue.
Chef, pwede ba akong everyday dito?
Pwede. This is our Inside Out.
Apple crumble a la mode.
Yan.
Inside Out
Apple Crumble a la mode.
Wow.
Social.
It's sparkling, ha? Diba?
Yan.
Talagang it's, if you look at it, it's very presentable, sabi ko nga kanina. And katakam-takam.
Thank you very much. Nasa loob yung, meron pa siya feeling, yung crumbs niya, plus yung, syempre, yung apples, yung cooked apples.
What I see in your management is that you do it with passion. Talaga.
Kasi we really love
Yes.
cooking, and actually, the reason why we opened this restaurant is to help Baguio as a tourist spot.
Yes.
And definitely, our staff also. Gusto namin silang tulungan. So as much as possible, ang ginagawa namin talaga rito, and we have, we feed mga street childrens din. Alam mo yan, kumbaga parang it's part of our social responsibility na rin in opening this restaurant. Diba? Ayaw naman namin kumita ng kumita, tapos sinosolo namin sa lahat. We want to help the people of Baguio as well. Ang motto nga namin is that, lalo na ako, I'm a chef, not a businessman.
Okay.
So, maglalabas ako ng good food, diba? Kahit na konti lang ang kikitain, plus yung konting kikitain, gamitin natin to help other people.
Kabsat, Nagimas. Umay tayo dito yung Route 55. It's located in Ligarda Road, Baguio City. It's just beside, ano bang landmark natin dito, Chef?
Pines View Hotel and Sweet Mates.
And Sweet Mates po. So, this one is owned by Mr. and Mrs. Tagumpay. And both of them are chefs. Ang maganda kasi sa pangalan nila, Matagumpay. So, Baguio City, kakailan, kakabsat, let's eat a Matagumpay meal. Thank you!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.